is autophagy and how can we boost it? Autophagy is the process by which cells break down and remove damaged components to maintain cellular health and function. This sort of self-cleaning mechanism helps cells regenerate, repair damage, and remove harmful materials that can contribute to diseases or aging. Here's a cool triangle that shows the importance of autophagy as it relates to aging. We have senescent cells on one side, aging on the second, and autophagy on the third. So autophagy is a big deal. We want to trigger it as much as we can. One thing we can do is we can add spermidine to our diet. And you don't have to take an expensive spermidine supplement. I put a tablespoon of wheat germ into my breakfast smoothie every day, which is very high in spermidine. And spermidine has major benefits linked to autophagy and longevity. I actually made an entire video about spermidine. Check it out later if you want. Or we can take NAD precursors. What are NAD precursors and boosters? I've done entire videos about this, so I won't go into it too deeply, but basically the levels of NAD or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide decline with age due to reduced production and increased consumption by cellular processes such as DNA repair and energy metabolism. And NAD boosters help replenish these levels, supporting cellular energy production, enhancing DNA repair, and promoting overall health and longevity. The two most common ones are nicotinamide riboside, or NR, and nicotinamide mononucleotide, or NMN. I'm sure you've heard of these before. They are precursors to NAD, which sirtuins rely on to function. Boosting NAD levels can enhance sirtuin activity. I supplement with 300 milligrams of NR or nicotinamide riboside daily. But we don't need to rely on supplements to boost autophagy, our self-cleaning mechanism. Like I already said, we can also restrict calories, meaning fasting, and this is the big way in which we can boost autophagy ourselves, we can exercise. So fasting, on one hand, triggers autophagy by depriving cells of nutrients, which signals the body to start cleaning out damaged or non-essential cellular parts. During fasting, insulin levels drop and glucagon rises, shifting the body into repair mode, where autophagy is activated to recycle damaged proteins. This process is more pronounced during longer periods of fasting, so 24 hours plus, where cells begin to prioritize survival and energy conservation, promoting the removal of dysfunctional components. Combining fasting with exercise can further enhance autophagy, as both mechanisms work together to improve cellular health and longevity. But I cannot imagine exercising while fasting. But some people do, and some people really like it. So that was fasting.